We'll be looking at how to use the Format Painter in Word. It's a really handy tool when trying to copy format within a document of different formats. So for example here, say I want to copy this format down to this one here. What I do is I highlight the section I want to copy and I select the icon under the Home tab here. You'll see like a little, looks like a paintbrush. And then all I do is I apply it to the section and it will copy across the formatting in terms of everything. This also can be used too if you've got bullet points. So if I put bullet points in here or anything to do with paragraphs or any other formatting, I can highlight again, copy it, and then it will be applied to whatever text I apply to. Now, the only thing you've got to be careful is if you have bold or something differentiating, it won't be able to distinguish it. So I'll show you, for example, if I highlight this whole section here and I go to the Format Painter, you'll apply bold across it. So you're going to have to break, and it also won't pick up on the dot point. So you're going to have to be careful and just select text that has the same sort of format. So for example, if I want to change and apply a bunch of bullet points to the same format, I only do it to the bullet points. If I want to change my headings, then I only do my headings. Otherwise, it's a really great tool for formatting large-scale documents.